Yo, what's up everybody? Getting a USA tourist visa, the golden ticket to the land of opportunity, can be tough. It's like trying to find a parking spot in New York City, stressful. The US government wants to make sure you're a legit tourist, not trying to pull a fast one and overstay your welcome. That's where the invitation letter comes in, like a VIP pass for your visa application. The visa process is all about proving you're a genuine visitor who'll go back home. You gotta show them you're not trying to live the American dream permanently. Unless you get on a reality TV show, then maybe. But for the rest of us, we need to convince them we got ties back home. Think of it like this. You're borrowing your friend's car. They're gonna want some reassurance you're coming back, right? Same deal with the US visa. So, what exactly is this magical invitation letter? It's basically a formal letter from someone who lives in the US inviting you to visit them. This isn't just your buddy texting, "Crash at my place." This is official, on paper, with signatures and everything. This letter tells the US government, hey, this person has someone vouching for them. It's like having a reference for your character, but for entering a country. The person inviting you becomes your sponsor, kind of like a guarantor for your good behavior. They're saying you're cool, you're coming to visit, and you're going back. One of the biggest things the US government looks at is whether you have strong ties to your home country. This means you have reasons to go back, like a job, a family, or even just a really comfortable couch. An invitation letter strengthens your case by showing you have a specific person and place to go to in the US. It's like saying, I'm not just wandering around aimlessly, I have a home base with my boy Randy in Chicago. The stronger your ties to your home country, the more convinced the US government will be that you're not trying to overstay your visa. Think of it like this. Would you ditch out on your family and life for good if you had a 2-week vacation planned? Probably not. Section 4. Money talks. Proving financial stability. Let's be real. Traveling to the US isn't cheap. From Disneyland tickets to overpriced airport snacks, it adds up. The US government wants to make sure you can support yourself financially during your trip and not end up, asking for a handout on Hollywood Boulevard. An invitation letter can help demonstrate your financial stability in a couple of ways. First, it shows you have someone willing to host you, which means you won't be shelling out for a hotel every night. Second, your host can mention in the letter if they're willing to provide additional financial support during your visit. Now, this doesn't mean they have to pay for your entire trip, but it shows you have backup if needed. It's like having a friend spot you for gas money, just in case. Section 5. Easy does it. Smoothing out the visa process. Okay, so we've established that an invitation letter can be a game changer for your visa application. But how exactly does it make the process smoother? Think of it like this. The US Embassy gets bombarded with visa applications every day. They have to sift through mountains of paperwork to figure out who's legit and who's not. An invitation letter acts like a bright neon sign that says, hey, check this applicant out. They're good people. It gives your application that extra boost of credibility, making it more likely to get approved. Section 6. Invitation to success. Tips for a strong letter. Alright, so you're convinced that an invitation letter is the way to go. Now, let's talk about how to make yours stand out from the crowd. Keep it concise and to the point. Nobody's got time for a novel. Clearly state your relationship to the applicant. Are you friends, family, or long-lost pen pals? Mention the purpose and duration of the visit. Vacation, family reunion. Be specific. Include your contact information, just in case the embassy needs to verify anything. Proofread, proofread, proofread. Typos and grammatical errors scream unprofessional. Remember, a well-written invitation letter can be the difference between a dream trip and a rejected visa application.